can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you. Ever crawling when you like you. So have you got the goods? Been wondering if your heart's still open, and if so, I wanna know what time it should simmer down and poker up. I'm sorry to interrupt, it's just I'm constantly on the cook. I'll try to kiss you. I don't know if you feel the same as I do, but we could be together if you wanted to.